Good morning, Saitera Care family. Happy New Year. And as 2025 is about to close, and we have encountered a lot of problems, but praise God, because Prive International, through our Dr. Stephen Lai, our president and founder of Prive, will be giving us an enhanced marketing plan. And this is through the enhanced uni level bonus. And as we all know, all bonuses that we are getting in the uni level are purely US dollar cash. There will be no 80-20%. Okay? There will be consumables that will be available, like the Miracare, the stem cells, a lot of consumable items. And for every repeat purchases that we are getting, our clients are getting, we will be getting number one, personal discounts or rebates. So that depending on your position, the percentage of the rebates or discount. Number two is the override commission on your group. Every time they purchase, you'll have a override commission. And number three is the uni level bonus, depending on the levels of your group. That's why we encourage to build your team, build as many people that will be using our product. And I want you to learn from this video. Our crown ambassador, our Amba Mark Cariaga, will be discussing on how we will be able to avail this enhanced uni level bonus.
Only, but we okay. So this is what we call the if you are a future star, okay? So you have to understand when you become a future star, okay? When you are a future star, okay? Your percentage, because when you are a bronze, you are 5%. Okay? This is what we call the discount. Okay, everybody say discount. Okay, discount. Okay, when you when you when you purchase right now, repeat purchase right now, any of the products, okay, you'll have a 5% rebates. Okay, everybody say rebates. Okay, so this one you will you will get it the next day. Okay, the next day. Okay, so silver is 10%. Okay, so when you repeat purchase your personal purchase, you get 10%. Okay, understand? Does anybody understand it? Okay. Gwen, you understand it, right? So, gold, 20%. Wow. Somebody said here, nabuhay ang kalan. He's alive. If you understand this, this is crazy, right? So, why do you need, when you are bronze, you're 5%. When you're silver, you're 10%. When you are gold, you are 20%. Understand? Do we understand? Is it clear? When we are a diamond, that is 30%. Amba Mark, what if I started with bronze? I don't have money yet for diamond. Diamond is 30%. It's okay. It's okay. Okay? Why? Why is it okay? Even you are bronze, even your bronze, even your silver or your gold, if you become, this is confirmed, if you become a future star, your percentage, regardless of your rank, is 32%. Do you understand? So everybody wants to be future star. Do you understand the momentum? Do you understand the scenario? Many people will become future star. Uulan po ng future star. Babagyo ng future star. Why? They have the reason. They will be recognized, but most of all, they will have a greater percentage of 32%. Okay, now, this is only discount. This only rebates your personal purchase. What if, this is what you call leverage already. What is leverage? Yung hindi mo na effort, not your own effort. This is crazy. Why? You're bronze. You have a downline who has bronze right now. He or she is 5%, right? Of course, we have consumable. That's why consumable is like Miracare. The next purchase of Miracare, like the stem cell, like the NV spec, like Alpha Alpha, all those products. When this bronze repeat purchase, the second purchase, he will get 5%, right? Now, you, as a future star, you will get the override. Everybody say override. Shout. Hi. Override. Wow. I should hear you, okay? This is override. Override. That means your bronze, 32% higher rebate minus over rebate. How much are you earning from your bronze? This is hypothetical because this is your bronze. Everybody say, and under them, for example, all of them are bronze. I want to give an example like this so it's simpler. So that means everyone, your family tree will get 27% override. What does it mean? Every purchase of $100, okay, this is not the maximum or minimum. Let's say only $100. How much, as a future star, how much is your override? That means 27%, because lower rebate minus higher rebate, 27% of $100 is $27. So $27. The question is, are you the one who sold that? It is already your bronze. That's a repeat purchase already. That means that is what we call passive income already. Can you imagine if this one, 27%, 27%, 27%, 27%, 27%, 27%, not based on PB. Tama po. Based on US dollar. Everybody say US dollar. So every $100 purchase, you will have 27 US dollar. Okay? So if you only have 10 people who has repeat orders, you are a future star. So in 1 month conservative, you have 10,000 pesos most likely. Okay? 10 people only. $27, $27, 27. 100, 10 times 27, that is conservative. Okay? 10, that's $270. Goods or very good. This is highly conservative. We want it to be conservative. Okay? Now, silver. What will happen? If that's a silver, Jet, go back. Go back. I'm slow. Okay? 10%. He has rebates. And if you are future star, 32% minus 10%, that means 22% until infinity. Until infinity. Every say until infinity. Then gold, your gold, 20%, 12%, don't worry. Okay? As these people produce, okay, grabe, talagang grabe. Amazing, amazing ko talaga. 12%. This is future star. Do you understand? So those who doesn't have rank right now, would you promise by January you will be a future star? What is future star? This will be applicable February 1. When you become a future star by January, those who have no star yet, by February 1, you are already 32%. Even you're not diamond yet. Can you imagine that, right? Wow, that's why we said this is a great reset. Good or very good. An equal opportunity for all. Now, we want you to see the bigger picture. What is the bigger picture? The bigger picture is when you rank up higher and higher. Jet, next slide. Okay. So, This one is infinite. Next slide. Next slide. No, no, not yet. Next slide. The Crown Ambassador. Okay, Crown Ambassador. Let's say, whatever Crown Ambassador 3-star, when you are a Crown Ambassador, because this is our ultimate, don't worry about it, okay? When you have a silver, okay, you are a Crown. Silver, okay? He's not a future star. He is just in your family tree, okay? He or she is 10%. You are a Crown Ambassador. So that means he is 10%. You, as a Crown Ambassador, you are 50%. This is what Dr. Steven is saying. 40%. Why 40%? Minus 10% he earns, you earn also as an overriding commission. So you have 40%. Okay? Inchendes? Can you thumbs up? Can you heart it, everybody? Heart, heart, kung naintindihan natin, we understand. Wow, so many hearts, okay? When you have an diamond, wow, everybody understand it. Wow, that's very good. Okay, now, if you have a diamond, everybody say diamonds, yes. He or she is 30%. You are Crown Ambassador. So minus higher, lower rebate minus the higher rebate. So until infinity, okay, you have 20%. 3-star, he or she has 38%. You are Crown Ambassador, 50% minus 38% until infinity. We want to vision cast to you right now. We want to set into your heart that this is your home. We want to let you see as you move higher in ranking, the company is rewarding us right now. Can you imagine 12%? I want you to see the bigger picture of this one. This is crazy. This is huge. Okay? Just overriding. We have a friend from another company. Just because of the overriding commission, he is making right now, I would not mention the name, but he is making right now $400,000 US just of overriding. Okay? That is 20 million a month. This is real thing. Okay? Now, Jet next. See the figure, okay? Let's see. Silver, you have 40%, 40%, 40% until infinity. So when diamond, your downline is diamond, 20% until infinity. 3-star, 12%. But your 3-star have many people, right? So there's a lot of 12%, 12% until infinity. Do you understand? Do you understand? When you are 3-star, okay, how much is your commission? You are 38% also, okay? So now, let's do it. For example, you are a Crown Ambassador. Okay, you are a Crown Ambassador. You have a silver, a new silver, okay? The Great Reset, new silver. So we keep building right now. Oh, so many silvers right now, okay? When they repeat order, you get 40% on their second purchase. So 40%, 40%, 40%, 40%. So if you have 100, let's say 100 people, you are already a Crown Ambassador, huh? So that means if you have 100 people who are just purchase $100 in 1 month, is it possible? Kuya Christian, is it possible?
Yes, it's possible.
EPO, is it possible? Ambassador, is it possible?
Yeah, that's only your supplements.
Yeah. $100 and then 100 people. Is it conservative?
Super conservative.
Okay. Is it doable?
Definitely.
So that means 27 times 100, you have in 1 month, just from the overriding commission, $4,000. Ate Jazz, is it possible?
Grabe, power.
Do you
Wag di man
understand now? That's
katulugon,
why we're
ani.
exploding, ha? We're exploding, ha?
This is it.
Wala nang weak leg, wala nang strong leg. There's no such thing. With this is a game changer. Wow. Okay? Diamond, you have 20%. So each time they repeat purchase, just $100. Okay, in 1 month. Our goal is to have so many products, right? Like in Malaysia, they have 40 products. Imposible naman, walang $100 dyan. Nagbenta sila, nag-repeat purchase sila, personal consumption, it doesn't matter. So, 22 times 100. So, in your diamond, you have $2,000. If you have a downline that is 3-star, 100 people who has repeat purchase for 1 month. 12 times 100 people who just repeat purchase or sell the product. When they sell the product, they will purchase, right? That is repeat purchase also. So times you have 1,200. The question is this doable? Is it conservative? Then we will paint to you the picture. That's why this is the time, the great reset. On your mark, get set, go. We're talking about 100, 100, 100. If you total this, 4,000, 2,000, 1,000, that is $6,000, $7,000 of passive income, of residual income. This is where you decide to do this as a career. It's like your pension. Repeat purchase, repeat purchase, repeat purchase. Combination of our fast lock, our level pairing, our group pairing, plus this one. But I have good news for you. Those who has many people right now, and you have already a ranking. I know some of us hibernated already. This one is a great reason. You know why? You see, when we achieve the rank, look at this. This is example. This is conservative, 100, 100, 100. No crown will have 100, 100, 100. This is multiplication. This is leverage. This will blow your mind. Next, Jet. How many people show the picture, Jet, of members? Can you imagine? Compute it in your mind. Not that one, anak. Not that one. Other one pa. Not that one. You see here? This is a genealogy of Crown members, of a Crown ambassador. They have 12,000 people on the left, 9,000 on the right. We're talking about 300 people. Can you imagine if you have 22,000 people just repeat purchase? This is our future. Not just because we are Crown. We're saying to you, this is amazing. And we computed it. We compute it based on override only. Do you understand? Now, next, Jet. But wait, there is more. Can you imagine right now? If you are making $200,000 every month, only 10,000. 10,000 people, okay? Can you imagine how much? Who is the? You are earning how much? If it is bronze, if it is, I know how much is your earning. Let's say average person, you'll be earning $20 only because of overriding. That is basically $200,000 every month income. This is good or very good? Kuya Christian, is this good enough?
Very good. Come on.
Ambassador, this is good?
Super good. Extra income.
Wow!
Rather the main income.
But wait, there's more. You know what? We computed it on the override commission, but we still have the unilevel. What is the unilevel? Jet, can you show the unilevel? The the 10987. I will not complicate your mind. Okay. No, next. No, not that one. Unilevel. Okay, not that one. The unilevel, anak. Okay. Yeah. 10, 9. So aside from the bonus is 10%. Aside from the income in the override, you still earn 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. This is based on PB. This will be add on. Everybody say add on. The 10%, the 9%. So there is a double income. You earn from the US dollar that they purchase, but it also have a PB. So the points will have another earning. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So Jet, can you show the figures in? So sorry if this is too much for you to handle. Okay, we just have to expand our financial wallet. Okay, Jet, can you show them the figures in unilevel? So Dr. Steven is saying 8 by 8 only. This is 8 by 8. So for example, the 8, only 2 will multiply. Okay? So on the ninth level, I will not go too much. Only 2, okay? Only 2 will multiply. You have an amazing residual income only in unilevel, not on the override. So this will be add on 10,000 US dollars. We will, maybe you don't understand right now, but what we're saying to you, we're painting the picture with you. Okay, $10,000. What if the 4 of them times 4? That means this is your unilevel on the 9th level. Aside from your override commission. Okay?
Woohoo!
And we have, but wait, there's more. Okay na, Jet. And starting January 1, tama CTO, we will, to help us also reset, we will have our card incentive. Those 3-star and below, you have a chance to have pang down po, kalahating million, $500,000 po for your card. So 10 winners on your mark, get set, go. It's better that you have a goal. Okay? At the end of the day, it is your decision. 2025 is almost over. Done. We cannot do something about it. But now, let's move forward. Reset mindset. Our mind must be set. Mindset. Our mind must be set in our goal. Don't expect the dollar if our mind is not set on building the team. Now is the time to build the team. Every day will be Christmas for us.